So wagwan more.
Wagwan. Bomber class.
Today we're working on David's 350Z. He want to get some coilovers installed, so I'm just about to walk you guys through the whole process of it. So yes, this coil looks beautiful, like not beautiful, but it looks like it's in mint condition. But if I take you guys on this side, you see that it's broken right there. So we're gonna take this bolt out at the bottom, and I believe there's 3 more bolts at the top. So we're gonna get those 4 bolts out, and hopefully it falls right down. If not, I guess we're gonna have to drop this down and then pull it right out.
What's wrong with that shit?
That one just helped me get out the first coil, and damn, this shit look jank compared to the new ones. Look how beautiful they are. Oof. But as suspected, I had to get this whole shit loose. But boom, David, if you're watching, no, I'm not messing up your fenders. All right, so boom, we got both coilovers and the fronts out. Fortunately, that was way easier because it just dropped right out. Now, all I have to do is finish pulling it out. What? That's why it was way easier because of that.
No pressure.
Yeah, it has no pressure on it. But I'm gonna adjust the new coils and throw them in here.
Eventually.
Story time.
Alright, so boom. Story time. Story time. We've been on this one side for like a good 45 minutes. One side decided to come out easy, but one side decided not come out easy. Now that we're finally done, I'm gonna test fit to see where we're at. So let's throw the wheels on and see. Actually the same height right now, so I'm gonna just go down about ½ inch or an inch more. So let's do that. So we just got the front coils in. I'm gonna see how stiff the ride is. That's by installing these stuff right here. Literally just put it in like that, then you twist it until it's all the way hard. I'm gonna show you. Literally stiff, boy. Alright, so I'm gonna back the car up and we're gonna start getting the rears done. This is what you call a stiff ride height right here. Let's get the wheels off and take the rear coils off. What?
Buy me a drink.
I'm broke.
Nigga, you just say you gonna buy data blocks of drinks, so what up?
He helping me.
Nigga, what? I'm your brother.
But you ain't doing nothing.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hey, you guys being mean.
Who's being mean?
Man, you
You.
my auntie,
I'm not
aight?
being mean. Oh my god. What's the specs on this? 18 by 11 and a half. I can't wait to throw these on. The wheels are right there. I'm gonna finish taking out the suspension, then we are gonna get started on putting on everything. Nice.
That's why y'all niggas wasn't texting back.
Oh, you text me? Yeah, bro, we busy. Yeah.
God Mario.
Huh?
He came to the fitment car.
Alright, so boom. What happened?
Ugly wheels on.
Uh-huh.
I was static. Now I'm just even broker.
The wheels are on in the back. A couple more adjustments and then we'll be straight. Not going to be showing you guys the rest of what I'm doing until the process actually finished. So when it's all finished, I'll show you guys the finished product and try to get you some rollers.
8:01 p.m.
Car looks literally perfect. Literally perfect. But there's only one small issue, and it's that on this side, we're hearing a little bit of knocking. I'm not sure if it's the spring itself or it's just the dampening of this strut. So I'm about to take it around the street and see like when I hear it and try to narrow it down.
Not used to the clutch.
So this is not supposed to be this loose. This is just like how soft or how hard you want it. I explained that earlier. Well, however, stuff is all loose. So we got some electrical tape. Gonna tape this shit up and just fucking send it, right?
Hell yeah.
What's up, bro?
Shout out to Romario.
Bro, I can't get over how stiff these shits are too.
It feels like the drift car, bro.
That's what my boy said. You got the drift coils.
Say you need a girl. Y'all hear that first?
Yeah.
Hit up my man's, he's single. Alright guys, so hopefully this is the last time I'm taking out this freaking coil. This last back piece has been freaking loose than a motherfucker. So we got the tape on it. We gonna slam that shit right in there and hopefully we don't have to take it out for the rest of the night. So let's throw this thing in and call it a day.
We're still here.
How's your project going?
Damn, that shit.
Some heavy ass
I want a
wheels.
Z. About to cop a Z.
Got an HR.
Damn, way spinning. Big carbon fiber.
Oh, you ever?
Nismo.
Don't get snow.
Nismo's where it's at.
Must be nice.
Just tying up
Someday.
his fitment. You know, fitment got
They look big
Mario.
without the wheels.
I'm trying to get him fender to lip.
Goddamn.
Bro, I'm literally jumping on this shit, bro. It's not moving.
That's how you know you got some good coilovers.
I wonder if you can see it through the wheel. It's gold. Nah, probably not.
Yeah, you can.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Bro, finally, we're done on this Z.